Hey, what's up, everybody? You probably saw me right there, getting part corner thing. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully edit that in. So when I last left off, I finished making this thing. I made a couple more. So yeah, if you haven't noticed, the past couple episodes I've been kind of doing more of a tutorial-like thingy instead of let's play. So I'm gonna go back to Let's Play kind of in the middle of those. Mod proper what? Okay, well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm in another master area. Going to make a new machine. I've added a couple more little things too, so make a compressor. Basically what a compressor does is it just, you know, compresses. So yeah, I got a lot of cables, enough cables to make a circuit, and then I need stone. Yes, you actually need stone for once. Okay, this one is the most coal, so I think I need 6 pieces. Ooh. Ow, my ears freaking hurt. So while that's going on, look in here, check out these Darmons. Got my stain. Come on, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You can do it, bro. Come on. Freaking rogue. I'm on peaceful, aren't I? Yes, I am. I'm waiting for stone to smelt, teabagging everything. Come on. You're almost freaking there. You can do it. You did it. Okay. So, I think it's like this. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. So, compressor. Where am I going to put this? Here? Sure, why not? So, what I can do with this, so this is the only thing that I can think of right now. So you put this in the compressor, and it turns the uranium into refined uranium. You need that for nuclear reactors and stuff. But I'm not going to need this for a while, so I might as well put it in storage somewhere. But you can do something really cool with the compressor. You can make diamonds. Yes, you can make diamonds with the compressor. So, just gonna make a bunch of coal, because that's how you make the diamonds. So I think, no, you put coal dust. No? Here, let me see, I forgot how to do this. Compressor. So we need a coal chunk, which you need compressed coal, ball, and obsidian. So we need a coal ball, which is coal surrounded by flint. I think we have flint somewhere in here. And maybe not. Do I have? You know what? I don't feel like going in the ground and digging. So I'm gonna just get myself some food. Oh yeah. This is how we do it up in this butthole. So I think it was coal dust around it. Yes. So press that. Oops. So this will only give us one coal ball, which is definitely not enough. I'll tell you that. But while that's happening, we can make something even cooler, which is a Swift Wolf's Rending Gale. What? Why are those invisible? I'm not sure. So we need 4 dark matter, 4 feathers, and an iron band. So to make a dark matter, we need Aeternal's Veil. Well, first we're going to need to make a Philosopher's Stone. Easy. Where is the glowstone? Here it is. I already have redstone and a diamond. So I think it was like this. Oops. Bam, 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 bam. Philosopher's Stone. So now what we need is, god dang it, my ear freaking hurts so much. Mobius fuel, which is alchemical fuel, which is coal. So this is pretty, it takes a while to make, and it is very annoying. There. Okay, that's all we can make. Actually, let's take one out, just so we can condense it. Ah! Okay, so I can divide this up even more. Relaxer. Bam. Whoa, what? This? Oh, charcoal. Okay. So then we make Mobius fuel like this. Oh, we're 1 short. Well, that's why we have this thing. Eat some bread. Take this out. Put that in. I'll leave that running. So we put that in there, and we get 1 Aeternalis fuel. So actually, I'm going to take out the diamond, or this, and put in that. So I'm gonna pause it, and then I'll come back for when this has made a bunch. So we'll see you then. Okay, hey guys, I've been letting this run for a long time, like 2 days. Oh, crap. This is more than enough. Oh, okay. Well, we have a lot of that then. My cat is spazzing out in the corner. What the frick are you doing? Jeez. Okay, stop. Okay, so let's turn a bunch of this into Darwin's. Okay. And then, yeah. So let's go and make some more, let's see, I need, okay. Oh god. Okay, so we have our dark matter. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, favorite, or subscribe to my new name, Belated Weasel 21. Thanks, bye!